Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my Anfield Road Expansion update. They're coming down now. So guys have just been working on that end section there. Let's get a little bit closer. So to see them on a cherry picker here, I can't see because the trees are away from me at the moment. But they were right up. Yeah, they're coming down. They were right up in that upper section. Just there. I think they're adding sections on, tightening things up, I think. But yeah, I'm back today anyway because it's it's my first day here since the last game of the season at Anfield for the World Cup break. So we might start getting work inside the ground now. So let's have a little pan across here. See that big crawler crane's right on the left hand side now. And it's just been lifting something up as I was driving here, so I'll get over and see what it was they were lifting. It's like a little section it was. I'm getting right above, look down. Yeah, it's just dropping it right into the site, wasn't it? No, there's not more roof panelling going on. There's work going on there, just don't know what exactly. Or is that more roof panelling? It looks bigger. It looks wider, it looks like there's more area spread on it. But let's get around the front side and have a look, see if we can see anything on old roof wise. Whether the rumours are true that it's not coming off during the World Cup. Absolutely nothing going on there, is there? Nothing on the pitch. So I'll keep coming up every couple of days to see if there's anything going on inside now that we can report on. We'll get across and have a look at this crane, this corner where the crane is, sorry. Got to keep well away, you see, because there's people working up there. What I haven't done is had a look in from this side, have I? So up below me, there's trees, but I'll have a little bit closer. Get down and have a look inside. I'll look inside the stand from this side, and I'll have a look inside from the other side as well. I'm going to get back to answering comments next week. I'm going to start answering comments next week. People are asking me questions in the comment section, and I'm not really addressing them because just being busy. So there's a good look inside there. Like pretty level with the roof as well, so you should see right across the top of the roof there as well. Bring the cams down a touch and have a look at the corner. Nice little plan across. Loads of vehicles there. Probably dropping stuff off. Nice look along that corner section, and I'll have footage of from the ground as well, so that'll be incorporated into the video, so you might be seeing it now, you might not. It depends where it'll fit in the editing process. But going to get some scale of how big the stand is. I'm going to bring it right round. The drone's above my head somewhere. Yeah, it's just behind me, scanning round. So trying to get some good close-ups as well for everyone to see. It's funny how far away this drone is, but it looks like I'm close. Now I'm going sideways here, and I think I'd be hitting the main stands looking at my phone. But looking at the drone in the air, I am, even though the houses facing the main stands, I'm over them. But that's just how close the camera makes it look. So I'll have a little stop here, a little close look inside at the platform. You see some daylight on the platform there, which you couldn't see last time. But yeah, if you look across, you can see even the main stand looks close, but I'll look down. I'm pretty much over the houses facing it. Almost. Let's see. Yeah, really not far away from the houses. Yeah, good looking there. If someone can answer the question though, people are asking what the orange bars on, the orange bars are they temporary supports? I'm assuming they are, but as I keep saying, I am not at all a construction expert, so I don't know. Another look over this way. Yeah, so I'll keep coming up every couple of days and having a look. If there's something going on the pitch, then we're going to assume that there's going to be something going on with the stands, and we'll have more of a look at it. So fly over and have a slow fly. Look down on the roof. I see there'll also be a walk along video of just the scale of the size of the stand itself. So I'll get over this way and I'll have a little pan down and we'll have a little look along here. Stick myself up. There you can see the corner section. Go right along here as I normally do and go a bit slower. There's loads more stuff down there now as well, so yeah, it's going to be, that corner section's probably going to go in soon. So I'll leave it there and let me know if there's anything else that you want to see regarding the construction. I don't think there's been a lot gone on, to be fair, since it was last year. But if there's anything you want to see, just let me know, and I'll speak to you all soon. Look after yourselves.